Water rights now! Water rights now! Water rights now! Water rights now! Water rights.
Chuck Raingrass here, reporting live from the Guelph Water Tower, the local demonstration site for the global water strike, where we are witnessing a crisis of an incalculable magnitude. Water molecules, those that allow each of us to drink, wash, and cook, have all come together and gone on strike. There is no water available for human enjoyment, use, or consumption. It's hard to imagine the repercussions of such a strike, but as of right now, we don't have to imagine it. We are living it. As you can see, the molecules have gathered here, outside of the water tower, in protest of the abuse that they have suffered both here and abroad. With me now is Aqua, a global water strike spokesmolecule, to elaborate on the situation at hand. Aqua, could you please tell me of the events that led to this strike and the drastic measures that you have taken?
Thank you, Chuck. We've generated quite a crowd here around the water tower today. As you can see, water molecules from all around town have converged here in an attempt to bring a halt to all water use in the city.
But don't you find this a little overboard? I mean, the people of Guelph and the planet need water to survive. If all the molecules strike, how are the people to survive?
Considering the extent of damage done globally, this strike is entirely called for. We realize the need for water. Every living thing depends on us. Without us, there is no you. People have to make changes to survive. We've waited around, seemingly oblivious to the pollution caused by your residents and your industries until now. We are tired of pollution and alterations to the water cycle. We demand change.
Can you articulate these concerns in a little more detail?
Well, Lake here has an extensive knowledge of historical water atrocities.
Hello, Lake. What can you tell us about this?
I can tell you one thing for sure. Humans treat water molecules like garbage. I can think of many stories of casualties of my fellow water molecules, both here and abroad. We've had to deal with chemical and fertilizer runoff from farms, degradation of our wetlands, and pollution of our aquatic homes, and alterations to the water cycle. Have you heard of the Love Canal or Minamata Bay?
I seem to remember a little bit about that, but could you please explain further?
The Love Canal was a constructed waterway that wasn't completed in Niagara Falls, New York. And as time went by, this canal began to be used as a toxic waste disposal site. 47 million tons of hazardous waste were dumped into the Love Canal, making their way into the groundwater and into adjacent surface waters. Attention wasn't brought to this tragedy until human beings began to grow seriously ill.
Wow. Well, what could you tell us about Minamata Bay?
Minamata Bay is a small fishing village in Japan. The Chiso Corporation, a petrochemical and fertilizer company, dumped 27 tons of methylmercury compounds directly into the bay over a 30-year period, effectively poisoning 6,000 residents and irreparably damaging the ecosystem.
That's astonishing. Do you have any other concerns?
There are many concerns that water molecules face. The historical and continued use of insecticides such as DDT, the disposal of PCBs in our rivers, lakes, and other waterways, oil spills such as the Exxon Valdez spill, and the formation of acid rain due to various human industrial activities.
Aqua, is there anything you'd like to add?
Yes, Chuck, we water molecules are particularly offended by the corporate sale of water. We are not to be owned or sold. We believe that we should be available to anyone who needs us and shared safely and equally.
Is there anything that can be done to end this global emergency?
All activities which have been found to be harmful or offensive to water molecules must be ceased permanently and immediately.
From the water tower in Guelph, all this reporter can say is, "Oh, the humidity."